What if I told you that one single leaf could do what medications often can't? Not just lower your blood sugar, but crush type 2 diabetes, melt stubborn belly fat, and erase bad cholesterol. All naturally, without side effects, without expensive drugs, and without guesswork. Sounds impossible, right? That's what I thought too. But then I found something. Something backed by research. Something simple, powerful, and available almost everywhere. And it changed everything. Because this isn't a pill. It's not a magic tea or a trend. It's a leaf. A miracle leaf. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how this one leaf works, why scientists are excited about it, and how thousands of diabetics are using it to finally take back control of their blood sugar. Naturally. If you've tried everything and nothing has worked, this video is for you. Let's get into it. Now, what's this miracle leaf everyone's talking about? It's called insulin leaf, also known as Costus ignaeus. Some call it the sugar destroyer leaf. Others call it the plant that eats diabetes. And here's why. Inside this simple leaf is a unique compound that mimics the action of insulin in your body. That means your blood sugar goes down naturally, without triggering insulin resistance, without making you hungry, and without the crash. In fact, one study showed that people who took insulin leaf daily saw a huge reduction in fasting glucose in just a few weeks. Another found significant drops in HbA1c levels and improved insulin sensitivity, all without changing anything else. This isn't just a theory, it's happening, right now, for thousands of people around the world. And guess what? That same leaf is also packed with powerful antioxidants. It helps clean your arteries, reduce bad cholesterol, lower inflammation, and yes, help you lose stubborn fat, especially around your belly. You see, blood sugar and belly fat are deeply connected. When your sugar is always high, your body stores more fat, especially visceral fat. But when you lower your sugar naturally, you unlock fat burning, effortlessly. So this leaf is doing 3 things at once. It helps control blood sugar, it fights cholesterol, and it melts fat. Now you might be wondering, how do I actually use it? We'll get there. I'll show you the exact way to take it, when to take it, and what to combine it with for the best results. But first, let me tell you why most people never hear about this. The reason is simple. It's too cheap. There's no big pharma company making billions from it. There's no commercial behind it. No hype. Just real results. But people who know about it are quietly changing their lives. And today, you're going to be one of them. Because by the end of this video, you'll know how this leaf works, how to find it, how to take it, and how to use it to turn your blood sugar around for good. And listen, if you're pre-diabetic, or if you wake up tired, if you constantly crave sugar, if your belly just won't go away, or if you're scared of where your blood sugar is headed, don't go anywhere. You're about to learn something that could save your health and your life. Let's jump into what this leaf actually does inside your body. Because once you understand that, everything will make sense. Ready? Let's go. Let's break it down. What exactly does this miracle leaf do inside your body? First, blood sugar. When you eat carbs or sugar, your body breaks them down into glucose. Then your pancreas releases insulin to move that glucose into your cells. But if you're insulin resistant or diabetic, your body doesn't respond well. So glucose stays in your blood. That's what raises your blood sugar. Now, here's the magic part. This leaf contains compounds that act like natural insulin mimickers. They help move glucose out of your bloodstream, without forcing your pancreas to work harder. That means your sugar levels drop, but you're not spiking insulin, and you're not crashing later. Second, it reduces inflammation. When your blood sugar is high all the time, your body becomes inflamed. Inflammation damages your cells, it clogs your arteries. It even makes it harder to lose weight. But the antioxidants in this leaf, especially flavonoids and phenols, help calm that inflammation. They support your liver, they clean your blood, and they help your metabolism run smoother. Third, it helps fix your gut. Most people don't realize this, but your gut plays a huge role in blood sugar control. A damaged gut makes you absorb sugar faster, it makes you hungrier, and it increases cravings. This leaf has natural prebiotics that help rebalance your gut bacteria. So over time, you digest food better, you feel fuller, and your sugar stays stable. Now let's talk about cholesterol. This leaf doesn't just lower blood sugar, it also lowers LDL cholesterol. That's the bad kind, and it raises HDL cholesterol, the good kind. That means your arteries are more open, your blood flows better, and your risk of heart disease drops dramatically. That's why some people call it a heart leaf, because it supports both metabolic and cardiovascular health. Now here's what might surprise you. This isn't some rare Amazonian herb. It's available in many parts of the world. You can find it in teas, in capsules, in powder, or you can even grow it yourself in a pot at home. And it tastes pretty mild, a little earthy, but nothing strong. You can steep it in hot water, you can mix it with lemon, or blend it into a smoothie. But no matter how you take it, what matters is consistency. Because this isn't a quick fix, it's a natural support that helps your body reset. And with time, people are seeing amazing results. Let me give you a real example. Maria, a 62-year-old woman from Florida, had an A1C of 8.9. She was overweight, constantly tired, and felt like giving up. Her doctor recommended meds, but she wanted to try one more natural solution. She started taking this leaf daily, just 1 cup of tea every morning. After 3 weeks, her fasting glucose dropped by 30 points. In 6 weeks, her A1C fell to 6.7. She lost 11 pounds, and for the first time in years, she felt like herself again. Now, she still watches her diet. She walks daily, but she swears the leaf was the turning point, and she's not alone. There are hundreds of stories like Maria's. People who were stuck, people who had lost hope, now finally seeing results, not because of drugs, but because they gave their body what it needed to heal. And that's the whole point. This isn't about finding a shortcut. It's about giving your body the tools to fix itself. And this leaf is one of the best tools you can find. But before you start using it, there are a few things you need to know. Because like any natural remedy, there are right ways and wrong ways to take it. In the next part, I'll show you how to take it safely, how much to use, when to use it, and who should avoid it. Plus, I'll share some powerful combinations that make it work even better, like adding cinnamon, or pairing it with berberine, or using it before bed to lower morning glucose. So if you're serious about reversing your diabetes, lowering your cholesterol, and melting belly fat naturally, keep watching. You're about to get the exact step-by-step plan. Let's go. So, how do you actually use this miracle leaf? Let's make it simple. If you want the tea version, start with 1 teaspoon of dried leaf per cup of water. Boil the water. Let the leaf steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Then drink it warm, once in the morning, once before bed. Do this every day for at least 14 days. Then check your blood sugar. You'll be surprised. If you use the powder, start with half a teaspoon. Mix it in warm water, or add it to a smoothie. It blends well with lemon juice, ginger, or mint. Take it once a day for the first week, then twice daily if needed. If you choose capsules, look for pure organic leaf extract. No fillers, no sugar. Start with 500 milliliters daily. After 1 week, increase to 1,000 milliliters if your body responds well. And here's a tip. Always take it before meals. It helps block sugar absorption and supports digestion. Now let's talk about timing. Morning is great. Your body is fresh, and you avoid sugar spikes from breakfast. Evening is powerful too. It helps reduce fasting glucose overnight. Some people even take it twice a day, morning and night, to stabilize their sugar 24/7. But consistency is key. You can't take it once and expect magic. This is a support, not a miracle drug. Your body heals with time, and this leaf makes that process faster, smoother, and safer. Now, what should you combine it with? Here are 3 proven combinations. First, cinnamon. A 1/4 teaspoon with the leaf helps increase insulin sensitivity. It also improves digestion and balances blood sugar after meals. Second, apple cider vinegar. Just a tablespoon in water before meals. Taken with this leaf, it can lower your blood sugar after eating by up to 30%. That's massive. Third, berberine. A natural compound used for centuries. It works on the same pathway as metformin, and when paired with this leaf, the effects are even stronger. But don't go crazy with combinations. Start slow, test your body, track your blood sugar, and always tell your doctor what you're taking, especially if you're on meds. Because this leaf can enhance the effects. That means your sugar might drop faster than expected. Now here's a question I get a lot. Are there side effects? For most people, no. It's gentle. It's natural. It's been used for generations. But if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or have low blood sugar already, talk to your doctor first. Also, don't overdo it. Too much of anything, even natural, can backfire. Stick to the right doses, stay consistent, and give your body time to adjust. Now let's talk about one more thing. Why belly fat disappears when you use this leaf. It's not just about blood sugar. This leaf helps balance leptin and ghrelin, your hunger hormones. That means less cravings, fewer binges, and more control. It also reduces cortisol, the stress hormone. High cortisol leads to fat around the belly, especially in diabetics. By calming your body down, this leaf helps you burn fat naturally. Even without intense workouts, you'll notice better digestion, less bloating, clothes fitting better, and steady weight loss over weeks, not just days. Now imagine pairing this with small walks after meals, a simple low-carb dinner, and better sleep. You could transform your entire metabolism without suffering, without crash diets, and without giving up your favorite foods completely. That's what makes this so powerful. It doesn't fight your body. It works with it, gently, naturally, and effectively. But here's what most people miss. This leaf doesn't just help diabetics. Even if you're pre-diabetic or just struggling with energy, weight, or cravings, it can help reset your system. Many people report better sleep, more focus, less anxiety, and even clearer skin. Because when your blood sugar is stable, everything improves. Your brain, your mood, your digestion, your heart, even your skin. That's the power of this plant. It's not hype. It's not magic. It's nature doing what it's designed to do. And now you know exactly how to use it. In the next part, I'll show you the final key to success: how to build a simple daily habit with this leaf that fits your lifestyle, your routine, and your goals. Plus, I'll share one final story that might inspire you more than anything else. Let's go. Now you know what this leaf can do. You know how to take it, when to take it, what to combine it with, and how it affects your sugar, your weight, and your hormones. But there's one thing left: making it a habit. This is where most people fail. They start, they feel better, and then they stop. But healing doesn't come from one big action. It comes from small actions, done consistently. So here's a simple routine anyone can follow. Morning, wake up, drink a glass of water, take your leaf, tea, capsule, or powder. Eat a low-carb breakfast. Go for a 10-minute walk. Midday, have a balanced lunch. Include greens, protein, and healthy fats. Take cinnamon or apple cider vinegar if you use them. Evening, take your second dose of the leaf. Eat early. Sleep before 11. That's it. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. And now, I want to share something special. A story from someone just like you. Her name is Laura. She's 57. She had type 2 diabetes for 9 years. She was tired, overweight, scared of complications, on 3 medications. One day, she saw a video about this miracle leaf. She thought, what do I have to lose? She ordered the capsules, took them every morning, then every night. She changed nothing else. After 4 weeks, her energy came back. After 8 weeks, her doctor reduced her meds. After 12 weeks, she lost 12 pounds. Her A1C dropped from 8.1 to 6.3. She cried in the clinic, not because she was sick, but because she was finally free. And all she did was take this one simple leaf. She didn't go to the gym. She didn't do keto. She didn't spend thousands on supplements. She just believed, took action, and stayed consistent. Now she helps others do the same. Stories like hers are why I made this video, to remind you, it's not too late. Your body is powerful. It wants to heal. It just needs the right support. And sometimes, that support comes from something as small as a leaf. So if you're still watching, that means something inside you is ready. You're ready to feel better, to take control, to stop depending on meds, sugar spikes, and crash diets, and to start living again. You don't need to change everything. You just need to start with one thing. One change, one habit, one miracle leaf. And if you do, the results will come. Your blood sugar will drop. Your belly will shrink. Your energy will return. Your sleep will improve. And your life will feel normal again. And that's what you deserve. Now let's finish this together. I'll give you the last step in just a moment. But remember this. This isn't about a magic cure. It's about waking up the healer inside your own body and giving it the tools it needs. This leaf is one of those tools. Simple, natural, safe, and surprisingly powerful. The rest is up to you. Let's go. If this video gave you hope, if you learned something that can change your life, there's one thing left to do. Check the link in the description below. Thousands have already started using this natural remedy. Many have reduced their blood sugar, lost weight, and even reversed their diabetes. You deserve that too. So go now and see how this one simple leaf is helping people just like you. It might be the most important click of your life. And if this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more natural health tips and leave a comment below. Tell us where you're watching from or what your biggest health challenge is. We read every single one. Together, we're building a community of people healing naturally, and we'd love to have you be part of it. Remember, your body can heal. You just have to believe it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.